Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use DaVinci Resolve for editing. First, launch the software and familiarize yourself with the main interface. You'll see the media pool for your files, the timeline for arranging clips, and the inspector for adjustments. Next, import your media by dragging and dropping files or using the import menu. Finally, create a new timeline by right-clicking in the media pool and selecting Create New Timeline using Clips or by going to File New Timeline. This sets up your workspace for a smooth editing process. Now that your media is imported, let's dive into basic editing. Use the blade tool, often found by pressing B, to make cuts in your clips. Switch back to the selection tool, A, to move and trim them. Arrange your clips on the timeline to tell your story. You can easily adjust clip volume by dragging the audio level line and add simple cross-dissolve transitions for smooth scene changes. These fundamental steps are crucial for building any video project. To make your footage truly shine, explore DaVinci Resolve's powerful effects and color tools. Head over to the Effects library to drag and drop various visual enhancements onto your clips. For color correction, switch to the dedicated color page. Here, you can make basic adjustments like exposure and contrast using the primary wheels. Remember to use keyframes to animate effects and color changes over time, adding dynamic flair to your video. Experiment to find your unique style. Once your masterpiece is complete, it's time to export. Navigate to the Deliver page, which is the rocket icon at the bottom. Here, you'll set all your export parameters. Choose your desired format, such as MP4, and select a resolution like 1920 by 1080 pixels for high definition. Set your frame rate, commonly 24 or 30 frames per second, and then click Add to render queue and render all. Your video will be ready to share in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.